How to create MoneyGram account in Ghana. Just go to Google and then type in MoneyGram GH, just like this one, and then hit enter. When it comes, just select the official site of MoneyGram and it will bring you right here. What you have to know is that it is not like creating a bank account or any other account, just like how you know it. So on the platform, you don't see any sign up over here. But what it does is that it links your mobile money account and your bank account so that you can receive and then send money easily using their agents. Okay, it's not like just creating an account or all that. So what you have to do is just find an agent in your location. Just come here and then type in your location. So I'm going to use Kumasi. So when you type in Kumasi and then search for it, you see that all the agents in Kumasi will pop up. Okay, so what you have to do is just look through and then see the one that is closer to you. And then if you want to send money or receive money, those are the joints that you have to go. Okay, so when you come here, you can see we have their working hours from Monday to Friday, and it is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so when you go to any of their agents close to you, you can send money. So if you want to send money, it is easy. What you have to do is to just go there. That is the first thing, and then you have to send your ID card. After that, you have to fill a form, okay, with your ID card, and then enter the amount that you want to transfer plus the transferring fees. After that, you have to give the completed forms to the agent, and then you have to pay the charges as well. Then notify the person that you are sending the money to, and then give your referral number to the person. So the same way, if you want to also receive money, or if somebody has sent you money that you have to go and then check it, you have to first locate any MoneyGram agent closer to you. Then you have to give the person your referral number plus your ID card, and then you will receive your funds. Beside that one too, you can also receive money straight into your bank account and then your mobile wallet. So all that you have to do is just give the sender your details, your bank account details, and then your mobile money details, and then it will be sent directly to you. So we don't create an account actually, but this is how it works. So thank you for watching it. Just like it, and then see you in my next video.